Greetings, this is another in a series of certification videos for AutoCAD. We're fixing to start on this Modify Objects section. As you see, we're going to move and copy objects. We're going to rotate and scale the objects. We're going to create and use arrays and blah, 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 blah. You'll know what we're talking about once we get there. But anyway, move and copy objects is the first thing. So moving and copying objects in AutoCAD. Let's get our AutoCAD up here on the screen. Okay, first let's create an object. Moving and copying is really easy. Okay, there's our circle. All right, you should know how to make a circle if you've watched the other videos. I want to move that circle. There's two things I can do. Typically when it's a very simple shape, a very simple geometry, I can just click on the circle and grab it by the center and move it around. And all I have to do, what I do is I click on that little dot in the center to grab it. Now I'm moving it around. I'm not touching the mouse button at all. All right, then when I get ready to place it, I want to click on that left mouse button again. And of course I can, as you see here, the dynamic input, if I had specific coordinates that I wanted to put it in, I can do that as well. But I'm just going to left click, and there we moved the circle. More complex geometry, you might want to use this little tool right up here. It looks like 4 arrows pointing in 4 different directions, and it says move. And the way that you do move is, let's go ahead and get out of that. Okay, we've still got our same circle there. I'm going to click here to move, and it's telling me to select objects. If you look right there at my cursor, it's telling me what to do next. Also, it tells me what to do down here in this bar right here. Anyway, select the object. There's the object. Anytime you select an object in AutoCAD, or most times, you click enter to accept that selection. Okay, now all I need to do is specify a base point. Okay, I can make my base point anywhere. I can make it here on the circle, in the center of the circle. I can make it way over here on the side of the screen if I want to. All right, so anyway, I'm just going to kind of click the edge of the circle there, make that my base point. And same thing, I'm moving the circle all over the place. I'm not touching the left mouse button at all. I touched it originally to grab it, but then I released it, and now I'm moving around. And then when I get ready to place it, I click that left button one more time. And there we have that circle which has been moved. And I think is copy objects on that one as well. Let's see, move and copy. Okay, so move and copy. So we need to do our copy objects. I want to copy the circle. Real simple. This is the copy tool right here. If you click on the copy tool, coming to the screen, it tells you to select an object. So I click on my left mouse button and select that object. I click enter to accept that selection. And now it wants me to specify a base point for creating this copy of a circle. And I'm going to go down here and turn on some snaps. My snaps appear to be off. There we go. That way I can click right there on the center. All right, and then I just click on that with my left mouse button. I pick up a copy, and just wherever I want to left click to place it, and I can place as many as I want. Okay, or I can just place one, and of course after you place 1 or 4 or how many, just click the enter button to get out of that command or out of that tool. So that is move and that is copy. Let's see if we can squeeze another one in here, or actually let's just leave that one as it be. Play around with move and copy a bit, draw some different shapes, practice drawing your shapes, and then move and copy those shapes. And we will see you on the next video.